Have you ever struggled with Microsoft Word? You're certainly not alone. Microsoft Word, a powerful tool used by millions worldwide, can seem daunting at first. It's packed with features and functions that, while useful, can sometimes be overwhelming. Formatting issues, disappearing text, accidental deletions. Sound familiar? These are just a few of the common challenges people face when using this tool. But don't fret, these issues can be resolved by learning the basics. Today, we're going on a journey to demystify Microsoft Word and its many features. We'll start from the very beginning, from downloading the software to exploring the interface, creating a new document, and even mastering basic editing techniques. Our goal is simple: to help you become comfortable and confident when using this essential tool. By the end of this video, you'll be able to navigate Microsoft Word with ease. Before delving into Microsoft Word, ensure that you have it installed on your device. To start, you'll need to visit the official Microsoft website. Once there, navigate to the Products tab, and you'll see an option for Office. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a page displaying various Microsoft Office packages. Microsoft Word is part of these packages, and you'll need to choose the one that best suits your needs. They offer different plans for personal use, business, or education, so take a moment to review the features and pricing for each. Once you've decided on a package, click the Buy Now button. You'll be directed to a checkout page where you'll need to provide some information and complete your purchase. Don't worry, all transactions are secure and your information is kept private. After your purchase, you'll be given the option to download the software. Click on Download, and the installer will start to download. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so sit back and relax for a bit. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file, which is typically in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the file to start the installation process. A setup window will appear with instructions guiding you through the installation. Generally, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. Choose an installation location and click Install. The installation might take a few minutes, so feel free to grab a cup of coffee while you wait. When the installation is complete, you might need to restart your device. After restarting, you can find Microsoft Word by searching for it in your device's search bar. Click on the Word icon, and voila! You're ready to start creating and editing documents. Remember, if you run into any issues during the download or installation process, Microsoft has a fantastic support team ready to assist you. There are also many helpful resources available online. Great, you've successfully installed Microsoft Word. Now it's time to explore it. Upon opening Microsoft Word, you'll encounter its user-friendly interface. As we venture into the world of Microsoft Word, we are greeted by a plethora of tabs, each serving its unique purpose. Starting with the File tab, this is your gateway to all things related to document management. From creating new documents and opening existing ones to saving, printing, and sharing your work, the File tab has got you covered. Next, we have the Home tab. Think of it as your everyday toolbox. It's where you'll find the most commonly used features like font formatting, paragraph alignment, and list styles. It's your go-to place for all the basic editing needs. Moving on to the Insert tab, this is where you can add a little sparkle to your document. Whether it's adding pictures, tables, hyperlinks, or even a touch of mathematical equations, the Insert tab is the place to be. Following the Insert tab, we have the Design tab. This tab allows you to change the overall look and feel of your document. You can play around with themes, colors, and fonts to add a personal touch to your work. Next in line is the Layout tab. Here, you can adjust page margins, orientation, and size. It also allows you to manage paragraph indentation and line spacing. The References tab is your assistant for creating a bibliography, adding captions, or creating a table of contents. Following this, we have the Mailings tab, which is specifically designed for creating labels, envelopes, and performing mail merges. The Review tab lets you check spelling and grammar, add comments, and track changes. It's your proofreading companion. Lastly, the View tab allows you to change the way your document appears on the screen. Apart from these tabs, we have the Quick Access toolbar that houses your most frequently used commands. And then there's the ribbon, displaying a wide range of commands grouped by functionality under each tab. Familiarizing yourself with the interface is the first step towards mastering Microsoft Word. Ready to create your first document? It's simpler than you think. Let's dive right in. First things first, look for the File tab situated at the top left corner of your screen. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to find and select the New option. This will lead you to a selection of templates and options. But for today, let's keep things simple. Look for the Blank Document option. It's usually the first one in line. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on it. Voila! You've just opened a new blank document, a canvas of endless possibilities awaiting your words. This is where your ideas will come to life, where your thoughts will take shape. It's as easy as that. You've just created your first Word document. Now let's fill it with some content. Now that you have your blank canvas, let's learn how to add and edit text. Microsoft Word is more than just a typing tool. It's a powerful text editor. To start adding text, simply click anywhere on the page and begin typing. You'll notice that as you type, the cursor moves along, making way for your words. Now, what if you've made a mistake or want to change something? No worries. Just click and drag your cursor over the text you want to change, and it will be highlighted. This is called selecting text. Once your text is selected, you can delete it, replace it, or even change its formatting. Speaking of formatting, let's talk about the power of copying and pasting. Have you ever wanted to duplicate a piece of text or move it to another location? Well, with the copy and paste feature, you can do just that. Simply select the text you want to copy, right-click and choose Copy. Then place your cursor where you want the copied text to go, right-click and select Paste. Just like that, your text has been duplicated or moved. Next up, let's personalize your text with font style and size. Microsoft Word offers a multitude of fonts and sizes to choose from. To change the font style or size, you first need to select the text. Then go to the Home tab and find the Font section. Here you can choose a new font style and adjust the size to your liking. Lastly, let's learn about paragraph alignment. This feature allows you to align your text to the left, center, or right of the page, or justify it so that it aligns evenly along both margins. To do this, select the paragraph you want to align, then go to the Paragraph section in the Home tab. Here you can choose your preferred alignment. Congratulations! You've learned the basic editing techniques in Microsoft Word. Now, you're ready to make your documents look exactly how you want them to. You've created and edited your first document. Now let's save your hard work. To do this, you'll want to head over to the top left corner of your screen and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, you'll need to select Save As. A new window will pop up, prompting you to choose a location to save your document. You might want to save it in a specific folder for easy access later on. Once you've selected the perfect spot, hit Save. Now, your document is safely stored away. But what if you want to close your document without quitting Microsoft Word entirely? Easy. Just click on the X at the top right corner of your document. This will close the document but keep Word open. And there you have it, your first saved Word document. You're on your way to becoming a word wizard. You've made it to the end of this tutorial. Let's recap what we've learned. We kick things off by introducing you to Microsoft Word, a potent tool that's a staple in the world of document creation. We then walked you through the process of downloading and installing this software, setting you up for success. Next, we dived into the interface, exploring the various features and tools at your disposal. Once familiar with the environment, we moved on to creating a new document, the canvas for your thoughts, ideas, and information. We also covered basic editing techniques, equipping you with the skills to shape your document to your liking. And of course, we couldn't wrap things up without teaching you how to save and close your document, ensuring your work is always safe and accessible. With these basics under your belt, you're well on your way to conquering any Word document that comes your way. Keep practicing, and remember, every Word wizard started where you are right now.